I do it in English, but it is for the German Digistore24 users. You go to account and order forms. Click on the order form and click on settings, click on export code, and here is your shortcode. Together with the download of the Digistore24 plugin, you can integrate your store inside your website and also inside a call to action in WebinarIgnition. You see here, inside your page, working good. Just missing here in the webinar, but we will fix it. So, but it's there and it's good. Okay, for the Germans, it's good. If you like to want to connect a nice webinar software, WebinarIgnition with ClickTip, go for VP2 Leads. And yeah, if you want to connect WooCommerce to ClickTip or other WordPress plugin to ClickTip, go for VP2 Leads also. Okay, so I was searching for this a long time, and I also will edit the download of the Digistore24 plugin in the description.